Jadi kali ini gue bakalan bahas lagi tentang IELTS Section 3. Itu gue jelasin lagi di awal ya. Di sini gue tidak mengajar gitu. Gue mengajak kalian untuk belajar bareng tentang IELTS gitu. Kata ya. Jadi gue tidak memastikan diri ini benar gitu. Let's discuss, let's answering together gitu. Ini sih. Tuh, jadi kalau gue salah ya maaf gitu. Nah, tapi nanti gue ada kunci jawaban sama dialognya gitu. Oke, langsung saja ke soal. Satu udah.
Section 3. In this section, you will hear a conversation between a university student and a university lecturer. Look at questions 22 to 25. For each of the questions, 4 alternatives are given. Decide which of the alternatives best fits what you hear on the tape and circle the appropriate letter. Hello. Can I come in?
Oh, yes, come in. How can I help you?
I was looking for the economics office. I've been all over the arts faculty building looking for it, but I could only find the School of Accounting and Economic History. Is this the right place?
Yes, this is the School of Economics.
Oh, good. I'm a new student, and I was wondering if someone could give me some information.
Well, I might be able to help. I lecture on that program. What do you need to know?
Oh, quite a few things, actually. Firstly, how many lectures a week do I have to attend?
Well, the Economics 1 course is a double unit. So there are 2 lectures a week and 1 tutorial.
Oh.
The lectures are scheduled for Tuesday and Thursday.
What time?
Let me see. This information is all in the handout, which you should have received yesterday at the orientation meeting.
Was there a meeting yesterday? I didn't know about that. No one mentioned...
Yes, there was. But never mind. Now, lectures are at 4 in the afternoon.
4's a bit late. I've got a part-time job that starts at 4:30.
Well, you can't be in 2 places at once, can you? And attendance at lectures is necessary. We expect at least 90% attendance at this university, you know.
90%? That's high. Do they enforce that rule?
Yes, we do. We're pretty strict about it, actually.
And what times have been set down for the tutorials? Do you have that information?
That's a very well-attended course, so there's a number of tutorial times. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, all at 9 o'clock. Yours will be allocated at the first lecture.
Can't I choose the time?
Maybe, maybe not. You'll have to talk to the lecturer on the course. Dr. Roberts is his name.
Oh, okay. As the conversation continues, complete the notes in the spaces provided.
Anything else I can help you with while you're here?
Well, yes, actually. Do you know what the course requirements are? I mean, how much work is expected for this course?
Well, you have to complete a tutorial paper.
What does that involve?
Well, it's a piece of work on a given topic based on some set reading texts. You'll have to give a small talk to your tutorial group.
Oh, how long does that have to be?
About 25 minutes, usually.
I have to talk for 25 minutes?
Yes, that's right. And then you have to write up your piece of work and give it to the lecturer to be marked.
Right. And is that all?
No. You also have to complete a 3,000-word essay on a topic.
Can I choose the topic?
Yes, usually you can.
Right. That shouldn't be too bad.
And in addition to that, there is an exam.
An exam? What sort of exam?
Well, it's an open book exam.
Does that mean I can have the textbook with me during the exam?
Yes, that's right.
And can you give me any idea about the content of the first year of economics, so that I can get into some reading?
Well, you'll be getting the reading list next week when lectures start. All the books are in the library.
Yes, but won't everyone else take them out as soon as they get the reading list too?
Well, yes, they might. But most of the important ones are held in closed reserve. That's a part of the library where you can go to read books, but you can't take them out of the building.
What did you call that section of the library?
Closed reserve. However, we do recommend that you buy the core books. You'll find them useful, and you'll need them for the exam.
Yes, I suppose I will. But what is the focus of the course?
Well, the course at this university has a vocational focus. That is, a focus on preparing its graduates for work. So we're orientated very much towards employment.
Oh, so my chances of getting a job are good.
Well, provided you get good results.
Well, look, thanks for your time. You've been really helpful.
That's fine. See you next week, then.
That is the end of section 4.
Let's check the answers gitu ya. Jadi yang pertama ini bukan ditanyakan sih sebenarnya. Ya, pertanyaannya adalah the orientation meeting gitu. Tapi yang gue dengar dan sekarang kita bisa baca sama-sama gitu, itu yang dipertanyakan adalah sebenarnya mengenai course. Jadi ada seorang cowok nih, dia tidak tahu apa-apa tentang perkuliahannya gitu. Jadi dia nanya jadwal, gimana sih perkuliahan di ekonomi kayak gitu ya, gitu. Jadi yang pertama itu mereka yang bisa menotis orientation meeting adalah mengenai pertanyaan jadwal dari si laki-laki ya atau mahasiswanya itu tanya kayak how many lectures a week do I have to attend gitu ya. Well, the economics I course is a double unit gitu kan, dijelaskan bla 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 bla. Ada 2 lectures and 1 tutorial dalam 1 minggu kayak gitu. Dan itu dijadwalkan untuk lecturesnya itu ada di Tuesday sama Thursday gitu. What time gitu, nanya what time kayak gitu. Si lecturer atau dosennya itu bilang kayak menekankan bahwa ini udah disampaikan loh di saat orientation meeting kemarin kayak gitu. Mereka kayak kalau nanya padahal kemarin ada orientation meeting yang terjadi yesterday kemarin, dan di sini ada sinonimnya pakai recently kayak baru-baru ini kayak gitu ya, kemarin kayak gitu. Jawabannya A, ya benar gitu. Yang nomor 23 itu mengenai attendance at lectures is gitu, kayak hadir dalam kelas itu apa gitu. Nah, di sini gue sempat mau terkecoh tentang kesibukan si mahasiswa ini. Kayak ini kan dijelaskan force a bit late. I've got a part-time job that start at 4:30 ya, kayak gitu. Si dosen tuh kayak well you can be in 2 places at once gitu, kayak nggak bisa jadi amuba gitu kan. Terus ditekankan bahwa attendance at lectures is necessary, dan gue tulis itu necessary ya kan, kayak wajib gitu loh, diharuskan gitu. Dan ada minimal kehadiran yaitu 90% dalam sebuah kelas kayak gitu. It's quite high ya. Dan di situ ditekankan banget bahwa attendance at lectures itu adalah sebuah kewajiban dan itu menjadi peraturan dari universitas gitu kan. Dijawab ditanyakan do they enforce that rule gitu. Yes we do, we're pretty strict about it actually. Jadi kayak universitas ini menekankan aturan ini ya gitu. Dan itu kita temukan bahwa ada sinonim di sini yaitu closely monitored. Gue artikan di sini adalah dalam pengawasan ketat gitu ya. Ya namanya peraturan pasti ada ini kan, ada sanksi ketika dilanggar kayak gitu. Di sini ada perkataan kalau kalian pakai tips yang ini ada word yang dijelaskan dalam dialog gitu. Ada enforce, ada necessary gitu. Kalau kalian jawabnya enforce atau unnecessary itu salah gitu ya. Ya kan? So tau banget. Ya, closely monitored kayak pengawasan ketat kayak gitu, pakai sinonim gitu ya. Yang nomor 24. Tutorials take place, jadi dia tanyakan kelas tutorial, kelas praktek itu ada di jadwal kapan aja gitu. Dijelaskanlah sama si dosen ini terhadap mahasiswa yang banyak tanya itu gitu ya. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday all at 9 o'clock, which is pagi gitu ya. 3 mornings a week gitu. Itu udah gampang. C benar, 25A benar. Nah 25 ini dibahas tentang bisakah gue memilih dari 3 waktu tersebut gitu kan. Dalam suatu course, dalam suatu matkul, dalam suatu matkul itu ada 2 lectures, 2 jam lectures, ada 1 tutorial gitu kan. Kita bisa milih Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Di kelas ekonomi ini apakah bisa memilih? Bisa atau enggak ya, maybe not. You'll have to talk to the lecturer on the course, Dr. Roberts gitu. Lu tanya aja ke beliau kayak gitu ya, kata lecture ceweknya. Kita lanjut ke soal nomor 26 gitu ya. Di soal nomor 26 ini membahas tentang kelasnya kayak gitu, kayak apa aja yang dilakukan dalam kelas tersebut kayak gitu ya. Karena si laki-laki ini bertanya, I mean how much work is expected for this course gitu, dalam matkul ini kayak gitu ya. Dijelaskan you have to complete tutorial paper gitu. Gue tulis tutorial paper. Nah tutorial paper ini it's a piece of work on a given topic. Nah ini nih a piece of work on given topic gitu ya, bagian dari pekerjaan dalam sebuah topik gitu ya. Student must, nah ini yang ditanyakan, yang ditanggapi gitu sama cowoknya, kayak what does that involve gitu ya. Yang pertama adalah you'll have to give a small talk to your tutorial group ya. Small talk gitu dalam 25 menit kayak gitu. Yang pertama yang harus dilakukan. Yang kedua adalah write up work. Jadi ditulis tuh papernya gitu ya. Pekerjaan lo ditulis gitu. Write up your piece of work ya. Oke. Benar nggak? Iya benar. Talk, give a talk, small talk. Sama aja ya. Terus yang ketiga itu ada give to lecture for marking. Jadi ya dinilai gitu ya. Masa ya nggak dinilai, lu bekerja gitu. Terus yang nomor 28 yaitu mengenai essay topiknya gitu. Essay topiknya ini pembahasannya tentang choose and choose ya. Can I choose the topic gitu, essay topic? Usually you can ya, usually can choose. Right. Terus ini udah eksplisit nih. What sort of exam, jadi dijelaskan juga setelah mengerjakan paper tersebut ada ujiannya. Ujian gitu, ujian apa? Ujiannya open book, syukur-syukur lo open book gitu ya kan. Bener nggak open book ya? Terus begitu, terus berarti does that mean I can have the textbook gitu ya. Jadi ada buku gitu ya yang harus jadi pegangan mahasiswa kayak gitu. Nah terus akhirnya si cowok menanyakan buku apa yang penting gitu. Buku yang apa yang penting, si lecturer ini menjelaskan bahwa lo bisa nyari di perpustakaan gitu ya. Dan dijelaskan nih langsung ke topik important books are in gitu. Dijelaskan yes well they might, but most of the important ones are held in closed reserve. Jadi tidak bisa di take away, tidak bisa dipinjam gitu. Jadi baca di sana gitu. That's a part of the library where you can go to read books, but you can take them out of the building gitu, nggak bisa dipinjam kayak gitu, dibaca doang. Oke, benar nggak? Iya benar, close reserve. Karena ini di notice 2 kali nggak sih? Gue dengernya ada 2 kali. Iya ini ada. What did you call the section of the library? Close reserve gitu ya. Benar. Terus ini eksplisit juga. Yes, I suppose I will, but what is the focus of the course? Jadi matkulnya ini fokusnya tentang apa? Tentang apa? Yaitu vocational, preparing its graduates for work kayak gitu ya. Preparing for employment gitu, focus on vocational. Itu udah eksplisit sih gitu. Ya begitu. Oke.